All right, hey, this is JD and about A. We want to talk about how to take a 1-4-5, all right, and add passing chords to it to spice it up. All right, I guess you could say the song, "Lord, I lift your name on high." All right, so you're playing the chords 1-4-5, but it's kind of boring. You're just playing 3 chords. All right, so we want to add to that. So I'm going to show you a series of passing chords that you can use to spice it up. All right, so we're going to start off, like I said, we're in the key of C. All right, so our first chord, instead of going straight to the 4, all right, we're going to throw a passing chord in between the 1, the C, and the F, which is the 4. All right, the passing chord we're going to use, let's use a C over E. All right, so we're going to play E, B on my left hand. Right hand, I got E, G, and C. All right? That's going to be the passing chord to get to the F. All right, going to go straight to it. Lord, it's going to fall on the Lord. Lord, I lift your name on high. All right, so the 4 chord, instead of playing the regular 4 chord, we're going to play F major 7. So what we're going to do, we're going to play a minor in my right hand, A, C, and E, with F in my left hand. And that's going to give me a F major 7, all right? So anytime you want to play that major 7 chord, you're going to go up, basically go up a major 3rd and play a minor chord. All right, so if I was in D flat, I go up a major 3rd to F and play a minor chord. If I was in A flat, go up a major 3rd, C, and play a minor chord. All right. So we're gonna play that F major 7. All right. So we got. It's gonna give us that sound right there. When you go to the 5, that G, you're gonna play. All right. This chord here. You're gonna go to 5. And you're gonna keep that A minor. All right, so I got G and then A, C, and E, and then I'm gonna resolve down to a G major chord, G, B, and D, like that. All right, but with my left hand, I'm gonna roll it, so like that. So you can also go to the 6 first. Do it like that. All right, so I just played the same thing. I just went to the A and E and then went down. So you got like that. All right, now to get back to the 1, we're gonna play a passing chord like that. All right, so we got F major in our right hand, A, C, and F over A in my left hand. All right, then I'm gonna walk it up. So I got F over A, then I got G over B. So G major in my right hand, B, D, and G, and then B in my left hand. And then that's gonna take me to my C major, C, D, E, and G. Add that D there. And just go right back through it. All right, so yeah, just wanted to add that, get that to you so you can add that to it. So instead of just being, like I say, stagnant, add those passing chords. All right, so yeah, hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.